Yes, people, this is the introduction to my channel. Some people might know me through doing trading, or some people might know me now for doing videos. Basically, I took a little bit of time away from doing content because I just didn't want to be on camera. So I said, instead of being on camera, I want to be behind camera. But now we're getting slightly older and I feel like I want to come back to things. So what we're going to be doing on this channel, really and truly, it's not going to be much different. Obviously, I'm not going to be doing trading, but I'm going to be showing you guys new ways to make money. And I'm going to be talking you guys through my life. And it's going to be like a personal documentation channel. So you could come, view my journey, and you could come and also learn. I feel like that's the best way I could provide value to you guys because one, you get to see the inside of my life, but you're also learning how to become a better person and how to make money. So yeah, if you're interested, make sure you subscribe onto the channel and stay tuned. We're going to be posting at least once weekly. We're going to be posting several times on my socials on TikTok and Instagram. So I'm going to leave a link in the description and I'm going to pop it up on the screen so you can see it. But yeah, stay tuned. It's about to be good. Let's go.